Hey fam, welcome back to your channel. Today's video is brought to you by, can you see that? I'll leave it up here as well. This is a wig review for, I think it's pronounced Etoile. I might be saying it wrong. Y'all know I butchers names. But this is an already customized unit. Well, I ain't gonna say customized, but the hairline on this is like customized to me, honey, because I ain't have to do no work to it except put her on. I will give you close-ups and deets on this hair right now. I just wanted to welcome you to this channel in case you are new here, where I do a little bit of everything on this channel. Hope you enjoy, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Please stay tuned to the very end of this video so you can check out this hair, and make sure you check down below in the description bar for any information, any codes that I will have on this hair will be down there. So let's get started with the video. Okay, bye y'all. Okay fam, so as always, I like to share with you how the hair comes to me, how it arrives. And it came in this really cute packaging that you could totally reuse to store your unit in. And I think this company is pronounced Etoile or Etoile Beauty. This tank top, I requested this tank top because I like how cute it is. And so I'm trying to get the hair out of the box so that I can show you what it looks like on the inside. I love the packaging on this hair. Okay, so here is what it looks like. This is a Brazilian body wave, 22 inches. And here is what the inside of the unit looks like. It comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and there is 1 right in the middle with adjustable straps as well. I personally do not use the combs. I just find that they are annoying in any wig, so I always cut them out. And this is just what the hair looks like. It actually smells like a baby. It just has like a baby smell to it, so it's kind of a fresh, powdery smell, which I love. And I'm just showing you what the hairline looks like. That looks customized to me. Like very little work on my part. I'll see whenever I try it on here right now. Okay fam, so now that you have seen how the hair came, I always like to show you what the packaging looks like when I receive it to give you an idea. And there's nothing like a little cute situation to put your unit back in when you're done with it. I have a really bad habit of making units for companies, reviewing them, and then tossing them in the closet, okay? But if you're not, you're a little bit more careful than that, you could always use the, let me grab it right here. Show it to you again. This is really cute. This is so cute. I'm a sucker for packaging, so whenever I get hair in something like this, even if I don't use it, I still like to see that they put in the effort to send me something so pretty. You know what I mean? So that means a lot to me. All about some good packaging. If you're a travel girl or just want to, hang this in your closet, just cute to preserve your unit. Okay, because a lot of people are a lot more cautious with their hair than I am. I just go through it so much, but you can always tell my favorites because I always have it on. So about the unit. Up close and personal. My honest opinion, that's a little bit of glue residue because I tried to glue it down with like a hair of got-to-be glue. I have used it all just about. So I only had like some smidgen to put on here. So that's what that right there is. Now, this unit to me is pre-plucked already because 2 things. I don't have a wig cap under this unit. So if I had like a nude or flesh colored like stocking cap, this would look so seamless and a lot more realistic, okay? So this is what it looks like without anything under it. So for me, that's customized because I don't have to go in and start plucking hairs. The only thing I would have to pluck is if I wanted to part this hair and wear it in like a permanent part. I would go in and open up this part a little bit to make it look a lot more natural. That's the only thing I would do. But for right now, I'm just going to be wearing it kind of like wild hair. All I did with this unit when I received it, you guys, was literally take it out of the pack And I use my paddle brush to make this unit big and full like this. Now they say this unit is 150 density. Look, y'all. Okay. To me, this hair is a lot more. I would say 180. Look how lush this is. They say 150, but I'm saying 180, honey, because this is some really thick hair, and this is where it falls on me. It's not a heavy unit, but it does have some weight on it, which is why I think the density is a little bit more than 150. If it's not, listen, this is some pretty decent freaking hair, okay? To be this big and lush at 150, I've received hair that was 150 noted, and it was a lot thinner than this. And if it was like already straightened hair, I wouldn't mind, you know, it being like 150, because I like a more sleeker, straight look. But with curls like this is what I go for. The big, wild, untamed look on the hair. It does have baby hairs on it already. You know, I'm not really a baby hair kind of girl, but sometimes, occasionally, I will pop them out or whatever. I don't want to do anything to this hair because I actually like the curl pattern on this hair already. So I won't curl or flat iron this hair right away. I'll just wear it like this. Then again, this is the front of it. Okay, it's coming up because, again, I am out of glue, but okay. And you could totally rock this as a deep side part if you wanted to. Look at that scalp in there. Look at that scalp in there. I did take my makeup and just put it on the perimeter of the cap on the inside to create this look right here. But it's a comfortable unit. I like anything I don't have to do no work to, okay? I'm down for the cause when it comes to just being able to toss a unit on, be real sexy without even trying. This is a no work hairdo, honey. You don't have to curl it if you don't want to. You don't have to flat iron it if you don't want to. You can just put it on and go like this. Would I recommend this hair? Absolutely. Totally. I told you, you guys, you will only see hair actually on the channel uploaded when I'm loving the hair. And when you will see it again in another video. So shout out to them. I did request this shirt though. This shirt was not part of getting the hair. I just saw it on the site and I was like, hey, can I get one of them shirts, y'all? That's cute. Shoot, do me a little photo shoot in here and be on their website somewhere trying to be real cute. But I'm loving the hair, you guys. So, again, check down below. I think, if I'm not mistaken, but of course it'll all be down there. I'm just trying to remember it kind of verbatim. The coupon code that you can use, I think, is Fabulous12 to get you 12% off the purchase of you a unit like this. And I think it's the first 200 people, 200 or 250. It'll be down below as well. We'll be able to access that code. No. First 200 people, or 250, whichever it is, will also get a pair of free mink eyelashes, I believe, with the purchase of whatever the unit is you decide you like off of their website. And there is plenty on there. This is just the one I chose because I knew it was going to be an easy breezy hairdo. And I love me some Brazilian body wave. And this is a good length. Of course, this will stretch out. If I was to flat iron it, it would be more down to there. Flat ironed. Because it'll stretch out. So, yeah, just check down below to make sure I didn't miss anything or leave anything out. Or I'll try and put it on the screen somewhere while I'm editing this video. But I absolutely love it. Would definitely recommend you check it out. Especially if you want a unit you don't have to put together. You guys see me review a lot of hair. And most of it is wigs that I have to make. The struggle is real. But ain't nothing like receiving one already done for you. That you can just plop on and go. Yeah, you'll see this a lot more videos. Ooh, I'm liking how it looks right there. Looking in the mirror. Okay, y'all, I will catch you in the next video. Be sure to check all the information down below. Once again, hope you enjoyed this video. As you can see, while I am filming, it is around the Christmas time. So if you're watching it around that time of year, Merry Christmas. Happy holidays to you. If it's well after the Christmas season, still happy holidays, and I hope your Christmas is great. How about that? Hugs and kisses, fam, because I'm out of here. Love you guys to the moon and back. I will catch you in the very next video. Christmas related, probably. Love you guys to the moon and back. Everyone stay blessed. Stay positive. Stay prayed up. Okay, yes, honey. Sorry. Do something good for yourself, and always do something good for somebody else. And be careful. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Again, check out this cute little shirt right here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Bye, y'all.